forgetting a wallet in the car.
Good afternoon. I would like to fill up my car, please.
Of course. How much fuel would you like today?
I think I need a full tank. Please put it on pump number 3.
All right. You can go ahead and start. Just let me know when you are finished.
Thank you. I will come back in a few minutes.
No problem. Take your time.
I am done now. How much do I owe you?
That will be $42.50.
Oh, wait. I cannot find my wallet.
Did you leave it in your car or maybe at home?
I checked my pockets. I think I left it on the kitchen table this morning.
That can happen. Do you have any way to pay with your phone or another card?
No, my cards are inside that wallet. I only have my phone, but no payment apps.
This has happened before with other customers. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just 5 minutes away. May I go home quickly and come back to pay?
That should be all right, but please try to return soon. I will make a note here.
Thank you so much for trusting me. I will drive home right now and return with my wallet.
You are welcome. I will wait for you here. Drive safely.
Thank you. I will be back in a few minutes.
Confusing the final exam room.
Excuse me, do you know where room 214 is? I am looking for my final exam.
Room 214? Are you sure that is the right room for the exam today?
I think so. The exam is for Professor Martin's class. My schedule says room 214.
I am also in Professor Martin's class. I thought our exam is in room 204, not 214.
Oh, really? That is strange. I was sure it was 214.
Let us check the notice board together. Maybe there was a last-minute change.
Yes, please. I do not want to be late for the exam.
Here, let me see. Professor Martin, final exam. It says room 204 here.
Oh no. I walked all the way to the other building looking for room 214.
Do not worry, you are still on time. The exam starts in 15 minutes.
Did many people make this mistake? There are not many students here.
I saw someone else ask about 214 earlier. I think the old schedule had the wrong number.
I should check the official notice next time instead of my notes.
It happens to everyone. Let us go to room 204 together so you do not get lost again.
Thank you, Emma. I feel much better talking to you.
We will both do well on the exam. Let us hurry.
Thank you so much. I am ready for the test.
Good luck, David. See you inside the room.
A tourist enters the wrong hotel.
Hello, is this the Maple Hotel?
Good afternoon. This is the Pinewood Hotel. Can I help you?
Oh, really? I think I walked to the wrong place.
That is okay. It happens often. Where do you need to go?
I am trying to find the Maple Hotel. My map said it was on this street.
There are many hotels here. Do you know the address of your hotel?
Let me check my booking. One moment, please. It says Maple Hotel, 49 Oak Street.
Yes, that is only 2 buildings away, on the left.
Thank you. I must have missed the sign outside.
No worries. The signs are sometimes hard to notice.
I just arrived in town, so I am still getting used to everything.
Welcome to the city. It is a busy street, but you will enjoy your stay.
Thank you, Laura. I hope to rest soon after my long flight.
You are very welcome. Just walk outside and turn left. You will see the Maple Hotel entrance.
Thank you for your help and kindness.
You are most welcome. Have a wonderful visit.
Have a great day.
Finding out about a changed meeting?
Hello, Sophie. Do you know when the project meeting starts today?
Hi, Marcus. Yes, the meeting time was changed. It will begin at 11 o'clock now.
Oh, really? I thought it was at 10:30.
It was, but Julia sent an email yesterday. She needed more time for her report.
I did not see that message. When did she send it?
She sent it after lunch. Maybe it went to your spam folder.
That could be the reason. I did not check my spam today.
It happens. I can show you the email if you like.
Thank you. That would help. I just do not want to miss anything important.
Here, I will open it for you. Julia moved the time because she is working with the finance team now.
That makes sense. Some people are busy this week.
Yes, many people have full schedules right now.
I had planned another call at 11. Now I need to move it.
Maybe you can ask if that call can be at noon instead.
I hope so. The client usually says yes, but I must check now.
Do you want to use my phone? My computer is free if you cannot reach them on yours.
Thank you, Sophie. That is really kind.
You are welcome. I hope you can change your call.
Have a great morning, Sophie.
You too, Marcus. Good luck with your calls.
Dealing with a delayed train.
Excuse me, do you know what is happening with the 1610 train to Brighton?
I was just checking the board. It says the train is delayed.
Oh, I did not hear any announcement about that. Do you know how long it will be delayed?
The screen shows it will be at least 30 minutes late. I am waiting for the same train.
That is unfortunate. I have an important meeting tonight.
I understand. I visit my parents every Friday, so I really hope it will not take too long.
Have you ever had a long delay like this before?
A few weeks ago, yes. Last time the train was delayed almost 1 hour because of heavy rain.
That sounds stressful. Did you miss your plans that day?
I arrived very late, but my parents waited for me. They are very understanding.
You are lucky. My boss is not so relaxed. I should send a message now.
That is a good idea. I hope your boss will understand.
Thank you. I do not want to be late often, but it is out of my control.
Trains can be unpredictable. At least we can wait together.
Look, there is an announcement. The board says the train will now arrive in just 10 minutes.
That is much better news. I feel relieved now.
Me too. Hopefully we will get seats and arrive before dark.
Thank you for the company. The time passed more quickly.
Thank you as well. Safe journey.
You too. Have a wonderful evening.
Requesting a different size in a shop.
Hello, excuse me. I tried this shirt on, but do you have it in a medium?
Hello, I am glad to help. Let me check if we have a medium size for you. I will go to the back and look quickly.
Thank you. This one feels a bit too big on me.
I understand. Some brands have larger fits. I'm sorry, but I cannot find a medium size for this shirt. We only have large and extra large at the moment.
Oh, really? I thought I saw more on the rack.
Let me double check the rack for you, just in case. No, I checked here too. There are only large and extra large left.
That is a bit disappointing. I really like this color.
The color suits you. Would you like to try a different style in medium?
Maybe. Do you have anything similar in medium size?
Yes, we have a blue shirt that is almost the same style. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please. I can try it on.
Here it is. This is a medium, and I think it looks nice as well.
Thank you so much. I like this one. It fits well.
I am glad you like it. Would you like to take it to the counter now?
Yes, please. Thank you for all your help.
Seated at a reserved table.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella Tavola. May I help you with the menu?
Thank you. I am happy to be here. The restaurant looks wonderful.
I am glad you like it. Can I get you something to drink first?
Yes, I would like some sparkling water, please.
Of course. May I ask, did you have a reservation for this evening?
No, I decided to come last minute. Is that a problem?
Let me check the book for a moment. Sometimes the front table is reserved. I see a note here. This table might be for another party at 7 o'clock.
Oh, I did not realize this table was set aside for someone.
It is all right, sir. The sign was probably moved. I will check for another table for you.
I see. I do not mind moving. I just wanted to enjoy some dinner.
We want you to enjoy your time here. Let me see which tables are free right now. We have a nice window table available. Would that be all right for you?
A table by the window sounds very nice. Thank you.
I will guide you there now.
I am sorry for the mistake. I did not see a reserved sign.
Do not worry. Sometimes it happens. This is the new table for you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
You are very welcome. Please enjoy your evening.
Asking for directions in town.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
Could you tell me how to get to Brown Street?
Brown Street. Are you looking for the bakery on that street?
Yes, my friend told me there is a bakery there. I am meeting her.
I know most places around here. Brown Street is actually 2 blocks away.
Oh, so should I go left here and then straight?
You can go left, then walk straight. But I do not remember a bakery on Brown Street.
Really? My friend was very sure. Maybe I made a mistake.
Is it possible your friend meant Bowen Street? There is a bakery there, very popular.
Oh, maybe I heard her wrong. Bowen Street does sound similar.
Bowen Street is actually just around the corner. The bakery is called Happy Loaf.
Yes, Happy Loaf. That is the name my friend said. I confused the street names.
No problem. It is easy to mix them up. Many people do.
Can you tell me how to get to Bowen Street?
Just go straight from here and turn right at the next corner. The bakery is right there.
Thank you so much. You saved me a lot of time.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your time at the bakery.
I will. Have a great afternoon.
You too. Take care.
Accidentally taking the wrong umbrella.
I think it is starting to rain outside.
Yes, I can see some people opening umbrellas already.
I should get going soon. This is my umbrella, I believe.
Excuse me, could I take a look at that umbrella for a moment?
Oh, is there a problem with it?
I think that umbrella looks just like mine. Did you leave yours at the door?
Yes, I put it with the others by the rack. Was yours black with a wooden handle?
Yes, exactly. My name is on a small sticker near the handle.
Let me check. Oh, I see the sticker here.
That is mine then. I think your umbrella is still on the rack.
I am so sorry. I did not see the sticker. I almost left with your umbrella.
It happens sometimes. There are so many black umbrellas here today.
Do you often come to this cafe on rainy days?
Yes, I do. But I always worry about mixing up umbrellas.
Maybe I should put a ribbon or sticker on mine too. That would help me remember.
That is a good idea. It really saves trouble.
Thank you for being so patient. I am glad we solved it.
No problem at all. Have a dry walk home.
Thank you so much. Have a nice afternoon.